Hi friends, today we'll be discussing one of the standard tidal port calculation. So let's get started. The question is find the height of tide at 1200 hours at Bombay on 1st January 1992. They have given the time and the tidal port also and the date also they have given. We have to find out the height of tide. This is one of the Admiralty tide table extraction which I took from the table itself. In the question they have asked for January 1st only, so we just have to consider only this portion only. So if you look into this, the time they have given time is 0355, and the height is 2.2 meters, and 0908 that is 3.2 meters, and 1538 that is 1.0 meters, and 2237 that is 4 meter. Question was 1200 hours, and since the question they have asked for 1200 hours, the 1200 falls in between 908 and 1538. We just have to consider only these two tidal, high water and low water. So in the question they have asked 1200 hours, and the low water timing was 1538, and the high water time was 908. Since the high water time was 908 and the low water time is 1538, so from 9 to 1500 there will be a fall of tide. So the duration of fall of tide will be 1538 minus 0908. That would be coming as 6 hours and 30 minutes. 6 hours and 30 minutes. And the predicted height of low water, that means the low water height was 1.00 meters, and the high water height was 3.2 meters. So predicted height of low water is 1.0 meters, and predicted height of high water is 3.2 meters. So the range of tide would be 3.2 minus 1, that will be 2.2 meters. Then we have to use the graph. The next is this. The high water, we know that it happens at 0908 hours. Okay, so after 1 hour it would be 1018, 2 hours 1108, 3 hours 1208, 4 hours 1308. It will keep on going like that. And if it is here, then it will be coming 1 hour before the high water, that would be 0808, and this will be 06 sorry 0708. Like that it will keep on going down. And since we know, we need to find out the height at 1200 hours, and here we know high water occurs at 0908, and after 1 hour it would be 1018, after 2 hours it will be 1108, and it will keep on goes like that. Okay, then if it is 1 hour before the high water, it will be coming as 0808, 2 hours before 0708, it will keep on like that. So first we have to mention that high water timing, otherwise all our calculation will be going wrong. We did that thing, next thing we will be doing, we will be marking the high water and low water heights. We know the high water is 1 meter, so I have taken the top scale, that is 1 meter, and this one is 3.2. So once I got these 2 points, I drawn a straight line through 1 to till it reaches 3.2. This line is called sloping line. Timing, I have the low water and high water heights. Then in the question they have asked for 1200 hour height, and we know that this 1200 we don't have exactly on the timestamp. It is 1208, and this one is 1108, so I interpolate in between, and I got a point which I considered as 1200 hours. Okay, and in the previous calculation we know that duration of fall of tide was 6 hours and 30 minutes. Okay, And if we look into the diagram, we have only three curve. One is 5 hours, 6 hours, and 7 hours. We want the curve at 6 hours and 30 minutes that we don't have. So what we will be doing, we will be assuming that there is one more curve which is passing in between the 6 hours and 7 hours curve, and it it is in between the 6 hours and 7 hours, and it is having a value of 6 hours and 30 minutes. So I assume a curve like that. Then from the 1200 to that curve, I drawn a straight line. When it touches the 6 hours 30 minutes curve, I from there I drawn another line directly to the slope line. When it touches again on the sloping line, from the sloping line meets this line. From there, I drawn one straight line to the top where it touches will be the height of that 1200 hours. So if we read out that, that will be coming as 2.3. So that will be our answer. Our answer will be 2.3 meters. From the diagram, using the duration of rise of 6 hours 30 minutes and time 1200 hours, we determine the height of tide as 2.3 meters. I hope you understand all the things. If you have any doubt, please comment below and keep following my channel. And thank you, friends. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to share it among your friends. Keep following for more, and finally consider subscribing to my channel if you found anything helpful. Thank you. Thanks a lot.